This is the 42U network rack. There are installed two patch panel O01 mentioned here for office data point, and Y1, Y2 up to Y8, and these are the HR101 dispatch and others. Yellow cables is signage to uplink the network racks, and red one is man connectivity from the switch. There are two 24 Aruba switch linked with the Versa router and a sophos firewall for protect our network. There are two ISP lines, Tata and second दूसरा कौन सा ISP? टाटा और निशान. Okay. So it is not final right now. Only the network cable are punched and connect with the network. Also the server fix it here, and access point remove here and plug in from the office area. So basically this is the complete network view. Thank you.